Hello everyone, welcome to my new channel. My name is Chase Robertson, and this is going to be a channel where I kind of showcase all my projects and stuff that I've been working on. And I just want to kind of go over what I'm going to be doing for this channel. Just to start off with, I went ahead and created a Word document with a bunch of stuff. My main goal for this channel is to, well, first off, better coding, improve my coding abilities, my planning and execution of the stuff that I create, to build a user base to help me grow. So pretty much what I mean by that is, like, the projects that I have right now, I need a user base to be able to use them to kind of test out the functions. And so far right now, I have two functions or two websites that I've been working on, and I'll kind of show those here in a minute. And then what I want from this YouTube channel is, first is to get reoccurring viewers, and then to get more website traffic, to grow the brand, and to get interactive viewers. So what I mean by the last one is pretty much like feedback in a way. So if you have a video that you don't like, or you think it's, I shouldn't have made it, or you think, I should have done something different, comment on that. So, I mean, you ain't gonna hurt my feelings. The main thing that I want from this is to get criticism, pretty much, and stuff like that. So what to expect from this channel? I'm going to be doing devlogs on current projects that I'm working on, and like I said earlier, I have two of them right now. Coding tutorials on recent project functions, dev challenges, game dev tutorials. Now this is something that I don't really work on a whole lot anymore. I used to be real big into it because that's originally what got me started programming. So I do kind of want to get back into it because I had a lot of fun while I was doing this. I am a little rusty because I ain't done it in a little while, but I do want to get back into that. Software tutorials, hardware and software showings. So anything like the software that I use to create my projects, and also I might even do hardware showings on the hardware that I have that allows me to do this. Project showings, complete transparency. So what I mean by that is, like, anytime something happens that comes up within the website, whether it be good or bad, I want to try to kind of share that and give you like feedback and accept feedback from you on that subject. Upload at least once a week. So for this right here, certain projects that I work on, that I do videos on, might be a big project. So if I ever do skip a week, that just kind of expect 2 videos the next week to be uploaded. For instance, like a login system. There's kind of a lot that goes back into that. So, that won't be one video. It might be 3 or 4 by the time I get done with it. So stuff like that. What I want from y'all is feedback on all my videos and projects. So anytime, if I have a video that you just don't see the point in, you didn't think, you just don't like it, give me feedback on that. Anytime you want a video played that I've not done already, tell me about that too, and I'll try my best to make that video. And same thing with the projects. Any kind of project you think like I need to work on, I'll try to see if I can't work that into my schedule. And if you think a project that I'm working on, I did something you would have done different, tell me about that too, and I'll try to fix it. And then suggestions for the videos and projects, I kind of already went over that on these two, but yeah. And then also volunteer help. If there's anybody out there that would kind of want to chip in and help, whether it be like create a logo or anything like that, I'll accept that, and I'll even give you praise for that. So but yeah, that's pretty much all I wanted to go over on that. So I will go over here to my browser, and I will show you the first 2 websites that I have. So this one right here is called C-Link. C stands for Cryptus. So yeah, pretty much what this website does is it allows you to connect with team members. Like, let's say you had your own business, like let's say it's a local business. You can create, or you can connect with your team members, and I got a messaging system on it, a task manager, an event manager, time clock on it, all different kinds of stuff on it, and it's in the very early stages of development, so it's not nowhere near ready. I do, however, have this website online right now. There's some bugs in it that I did not realize until after I already uploaded it. But it's called bis4business.com. If you wanted to go in there and check it out, you could. But yeah, that's the first one. And now the second one, what I got right here is a finance planner. The original reason for me doing this right here was for personal use. I had no intentions of even going any further. But I use my version of it so much that I was like, hey, there might be other people that wants to use it. So I went on here and created another one, and I only restarted it because the other one is not something that I would want to show people because the UI is not all that great. Because I literally only created it for personal use. But yeah, so you have your cost, your payoff, your due date, your terms left, and this is right here. And I'll show you right here actually. Well, it might not. There it goes. So yeah, so these are all the things you have to type in yourself. You have the bill name, the type, total, monthly cost, frequency, due date, start terms, auto pay, and payment URL. So the start terms, you notice right here it says 48, but if you hit back, you'll notice it says 41 because it calculates how many months you have left based off of when you do your start date. I mean, I just thought that was kind of neat. That way you can keep track of it, so you ain't got to keep track of it. I mean, it might not be nothing people want, but I know there's apps out there that's kind of like Rocket Money or something like that people use, and they're really good software. But if you're like me, more is not always better. And to me, they're trying to add too much stuff to it, and it just gets it all complicated and stuff like that. And a lot of the stuff, it'll say, oh, this is a recurring payment, and it's not. It's like a one-time payment thing, and stuff like that. And I feel like this would just be better for some people that didn't want it to be so complicated or something like that. So, but yeah, that's pretty much all I got. So, I'm going to go ahead and end this video right here, and I will see you on the next one. I will try to upload videos at least probably every Sunday, maybe Monday, depending. Because if I do it on Sundays, it gives me 2 days on the weekends to be able to upload a video. Which my main focus is the projects that I work on, but I want to start trying to film them all. That way I can kind of give y'all like a showcase and stuff like that. But yeah, I will go ahead and end this video right here, and I will see y'all on the next one.